Seguritas, welcome back. I know it's been a while, you guys, since I've recorded, and I apologize, deeply apologize for that. I was going through a huge battle of not having an updated phone, but now that I have the iPhone XR, it's all good. So I am coming back to give you guys some regular videos. Today I'm going to be filming a FAUX LOCS tutorial on, you know, something you can wear to work that looks really professional and whatnot. These tutorials are pretty simple and typically they're going to be under 5 minutes. So if you want to see, continue watching. So first thing is the items that you're going to need in order to do your hairstyles. I'm going to be using a long band or like a big huge headband, some regular ponytail holders, and some bobby pins. Alright guys, to start off with the first hairstyle, I'm going to make a part down my head. It doesn't matter which side, whatever is your preference. And I'm pretty much going to be doing like a 2-strand twist, sort of like a cornrow that's attached to your head, but you're just using twisting motions instead. So I'm taking the 2 strands, twisting down the long side of my head. It's pretty simple, and you want to twist back. You can twist forward if you want it to as well, I guess. That's also your preference. I'm taking a bobby pin just to kind of get that out of the way as I quickly twist down the other side. So once I get done with twisting down both sides, I'm just going to be taking a ponytail holder and I'm going to tie both of the strands together and forming kind of like a halo. And this is the first look. It's a half up, half down hairstyle. It's very simple. Okay guys, the second hairstyle is incredibly simple. All you're going to be doing is taking a ponytail holder and the twist that you have in your head, you're just going to be combining it with the rest of your hair that's down and putting it into a ponytail, and that's basically it. Okay guys, for the third hairstyle, this one's really simple as well. It's still under 5 minutes. Again, I'm going to be putting a part on my hair, preferably a side part. I'm just getting a little bit of hair and putting it into a section. I'm taking the remaining hair you see in the front, I'm leaving it out. You'll see what I'm going to end up doing with that. So I'm just putting the first section into a ponytail. And then with the hair that's left out, you're going to see what I'm going to end up doing with it. I'm going to pin it on the side of my head, and you notice the way that I parted it, I put it to the opposite to make it as a swoop. So that's just a little quick trick. I'm using bobby pins to kind of pin it and get out of the way. And then next I'm going to put my hair all together using that big huge jumbo band into a ponytail, and I am taking the ponytail that I did on top and combining it with the hair underneath as well. And then lastly, I'm removing those bobby pins because we don't need them anymore. Hair is going to stay in place like it needs to. I'm just kind of loosening up those locks a little bit to make more of a swoop bang. And that's it, you guys. It's pretty simple. It's a cute little hairstyle, still professional for work. Okay, this fourth hairstyle is a little bit more complex, but you know, and to me, I still feel like it's beginner friendly. I'm taking the hair that we use in the bank, I'm twisting it up and getting it out of the way. Leaving the ponytail that we had on the top of our head, and I'm going to be taking another ponytail holder, sectioning it off, doing a middle section of my head. And as you can see, it's a little hard for me to see because I got hair all in the front of my face. I got the mirror behind the camera. But yeah, that's what I'm doing, is sectioning the middle section off and putting that up with a ponytail holder. And you're going to see what I'm going to be doing very soon. And by the way, this look is kind of inspired by Janelle Monáe. It's just something very modern-esque, I guess. And I did this with my real hair also, so I just kind of wanted to do this with faux locks and see how it turned out, and I think it came out pretty cute. So I have my third section, the lower part of my head, or the nape area. So I'm going to let all sections go back, and then I'm taking down that area of my hair that I put up, and I'm going to do a 2-strand twist. I am going to twist that pretty much all the way down, and then I'm just going to kind of spiral that into like a bun, and I'm going to droop it a little bit to make it sort of like a bang. That's why I said this is inspired by Janelle Monáe, because she kind of does hairstyles like this, or Alicia Keys. So I'm going to pin that down, and it's your preference of the spiral, bun, or whatever. You can completely do it however you want to. It doesn't have to look the same. The remaining of the hair, I'm going to be twisting it using a 2-strand twist, and basically I'm going to be twisting it down until I get to the other section of hair, and I'm going to be combining that as if I were doing a braid, pretty much. So I'm going to keep on twisting. And don't mind me if it's a little sloppy because I can't see the back of my head. You know, if I were doing this in the bathroom, I would have a mirror behind me so I could see what I was doing and make it more perfect, I guess. But the point is, it's like a faux hawk, and I'm pinning it up. And this is it, you guys. I kind of forgot to record, I guess, when I braided my hair down on both sides, so that's pretty much what I did. I just split my hair and just did 2 regular chunky braids. So now I'm putting my hair all up pretty high, and I'm going to be using a ponytail holder. I think at first I was going to use that really big band, and I was like, no, let me change and I'll use this one instead, and you'll see why here in a second. I thought I was gonna leave it like that, but I was like, no, just kidding. So I'm just getting all that hair out, putting it into a ponytail. And I'm taking the hair, basically, I'm going to just wrap it around like a really big ball. And now I'm gonna be using my jumbo headband. And I'm going to make this really tight around the hair, just so it won't move or anything. The remaining hair, those 2 little braids, I'm going to take another ponytail holder, tie those together, and then I'm going to take the remaining hair and kind of just form it around the bun. What I should have done was maybe like twisted it up and then pinned it into the bun, or did a braid. I wasn't really thinking. These were actually improv hairstyles. I just kind of did them as I went. And that's it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video.